Hi guys, good morning. Come on date with me. Kain ako guys. Um, super nanginginig na ako as you can see. I no, you can see. Nanginginig na ako sa gutom guys. Kain. Come on date with me. I have rice and tuyo. And tapos na akong kumain. Mabilis lang, like 15 minutes lang. Mabilis talaga ako kumain. So ko lang mag-share ng mga bagay-bagay. Um, mga life lessons ko. Hindi muna ako mag-upload niyan. So, my uploads muna will be about this. Kasi parang I'm running out of idea, charis. But then I have to keep pushing. I have to keep going kasi that's my promise to myself na regardless kung maubusan ako ng mga ng idea or maubusan ako ng topic, pagpapatuloy pa rin ako kasi yun yung nangyari before. Because I ran out of topic, I also stop posting or stop uploading doon sa podcast ko and the other yung mga try out, mga trials, whatever. So yun na nga. So guys, earlier today before ako nanginig sa gutom, I was filming my products kasi nag-affiliate ako guys ngayon. Kagaya ng sinabi ko kanina, if you have time, this is my TikTok account. Bago pa lang, 100 accounts lang and I mean 1,000 of followers lang. But it is already big thing to me. Pero yung account na yan, hindi ko naman yan siya binuild ng one day. Account ko yan siya nung pandemic, pandemic babies kami ng TikTok. Nung panahon na nagsisimuli yung TikTok na yan, that was our time also. Kung ginawa ko yan, and anong ginawa ko yon, after months nag-boom siya up to 2022 ata kasi ginawa ko yan mga 2021 and kasi that was the time na wala kang gagawin and TikTok was the best platform before para maaliw, maibsan yung takot natin sa pandemic and super entertaining ng TikTok noon, yung mga dubbing, yung mga ganon, before thirst trap came into the picture. Tapos yung mga sayaw-sayaw, that was TikTok more on before, or yun yung parang madami kay TikTok before. So, nakisusunod ako nun sa trend. Tapos after noon, nung nag-graduate na ako, I barely use TikTok na. So, parang natulog yung account ko for almost 2 years. Lalo pa nung parang nasa part ako ng buhay ko na hirap na hirap ako. In terms of career ko and sa loob-loob ko. I don't know what was that. Pero ang hirap nung lumabas sa TikTok. Ang hirap makitrend, basta nahirapan ako. And then just this year, parang late last year ko siya parang nag-start ulit ako na parang mag-TikTok, and then ngayon na-recover ko yung account ko and then ginamit ko, and my brother told me na why don't I do affiliate kasi parang nag-try ako mag-affiliate sa Shopee kasi starting this year parang pinangako ko sa sarili ko na I will start doing everything that I can do to earn money. Kaya yun, instead ako mag-affiliate sa Shopee, and then my brother told me na why don't I try daw sa TikTok since meron akong account na merong 1,000 followers. Kasi pagkalam ko 600 followers, pwede ka na maka-earn through affiliate. So yun, naalala ko yung account ko, and then by God's grace na recover ko siya from business account to personal account kasi before nagtry akong gumawa ng TikTok shop and hindi siya nag-go through kasi madami siyang gagawin. May kailangan mo pa ng COR, ng mga BIR requirements. Yun, going back, na-recover ko yung account ko from business account to personal account. So ngayon, okay na siya. Nabalik ko na siya sa pangalan ko and nakikita na yung showcase ko. Kaya recently, super busy ko doon. And film ako dito. picture doon, record dito, upload naman, kaliwat kanan. And I was also grateful kasi I was so grateful pala kasi I got my first free sample. Alam niyo yung feeling na parang everything is taga-align kasi from recovering my TikTok account, from business account to personal account, parang ngayon lang siya nangyari kasi before I have tried na recovering that account pero hindi siya nag-work just this time. And also second sign para sa akin na everything is aligned or this is my time to do to TikTok affiliate kasi I got my free sample. Para bang sinasabi sa akin na go push mo yan, may future dyan, and parang there's an opportunity dyan para sa'yo. Kasi naniniwala talaga ako, if that is the time para sa'yo talaga, everything will align. Parang magiging madali, magiging smooth siya. And yun yung mga signs ko from God na para bang pinapahintulutan niya akong gawin yun. Kasi if not, ang daming mga hindrances nun, ang daming mga sagabal. So ngayon, yeah, I'm doing that. I'm doing TikTok affiliate, guys. I hope you support me. Also my brother, there's a TikTok account. Yun lang. So, mabibisi muna tayo sa paggawa ng mga videos para i-promote yung mga product na nasa showcase ko.
Hey, it's me. After filming, editing, and posting my promotional videos on TikTok, I felt drained tired. Like I'm running on empty and a little lost sometimes. I'll be honest, I hate being a woman on some days because you never know when your hormones will shift, and when they fluctuate, it's so hard to bear or manage. One minute you're fine, then suddenly emotions or energy surge out of nowhere. And the worst part, sometimes all the things you try to go just don't work. You end up feeling down in a bad mood. You know, when a phone's storage is full, it starts lagging. It can't navigate apps smoothly, and its function get limited. I realized we're just like that. When our minds are packed with thoughts, ideas, and everything we've seen or heard around us, we get exhausted. We struggle to think clearly, feel lost, and can't find peace. Things get rough and hard to handle. Just like when we clean up space on our phones, we need to clear out the clutter in our lives too. For me, that means stepping away from social media to do chores, read books, listen to podcasts, whatever helps me reset. I know I can't fight my emotion or stop my hormones from changing because it's natural, it's part of who I am. And the truth is, I'm the only one who can truly show up for myself. I'm my own best advocate, my own support system, my best companion. So I make sure to fill my cup first with love, patience, and understanding for me. Because at the end of the day, it's me against the world. And I need to be ready to take care of myself always.